Designating Connectors with Entry Port Parameters. In this task, we examine and designate a component with existing port parameters. Enable only the following datum display types. In the ribbon, select the Applications tab. Click Cabling from the Engineering group. In the model tree, select CONN 9pin.prt, right-click and select Open. Select the entry coordinate system. Right-click and select Edit Parameters. Notice the defined parameters. Click OK. Click Close from the Quick Access toolbar. Select Designate from the Auto Designate Types drop-down menu in the Logical Data group. Select the CONN 9pin.prt connector and press Enter to accept the default parameters. Click Done from the Menu Manager. In this task, we create new port parameters and designate components. Select CONN 2pin SQ.prt, right-click and select Open. Press Ctrl and select Coordinate Systems Entry 1 and Entry 2. Right-click and select Edit Parameters. In the Parameters dialog box, click New Parameter. In the Parameter Properties dialog box, type entry_port as the name. Select Yes/No from the Type drop-down list. Select Yes from the Value drop-down list. Click OK. Click New Parameter. Type Grouping as the name. Select String as the type. Type Round for the value. Click OK. Click New Parameter. Type internal_len as the name. Select Real Number as the type. Type 1.0 for the value. Click OK. Click New Parameter. Type Pins as the name. Select String as the type. Type 1, 2 for the value. Click OK. Click OK in the Parameters dialog box. Click Close from the Quick Access toolbar. Select Designate from the Auto Designate Types drop-down menu. Select the first CONN 2pin SQ.prt connector and press Enter to accept the default parameters. Click Done from the Menu Manager. Select Designate from the Auto Designate Types drop-down menu. Select the second CONN 2pin SQ.prt connector and press Enter to accept the default parameters. Press Enter to accept the default REF DES. Click Done. In this task, we edit the connector reference designator names. Click Cabling Parameters from the Components group. Press Ctrl and select the 3 designated components. Click OK. In the Electrical Parameters dialog box, edit the REF DES column values as shown. Click Apply. Enable entry ports in the Display For section and expand both CONN 2-pin SQ connectors and the respective entry ports nodes. Notice the parameter values match those created. Click OK. Disable Coordinate System Display from the In-Graphics toolbar. Click Ref Designator Labels from the In-Graphics toolbar to enable their display. This completes the demonstration.